The Hatsuyuki 600A is the most innovative Hatsuyuki machine on the market. It produces a uniquely fluffy product with a superior texture. The primary difference between the 500E and the 600A is that the 600A is about 10 pounds lighter. The Hatsuyuki 600A has adjustable settings to provide different textures of shave ice, simple controls for easy operation, automatic shutoff features to prevent accidents, a spacious 8.5-inch wide shaving table, and can shave 5 to 6 pounds of shave ice per minute. That's enough for 600 to 700 servings per hour. The machine weighs 58 pounds, is 35 inches high, 14 inches wide, and sits 19 inches deep. It runs on about 2 amps, 120 volts, and 220 watts, and is NSF certified. To unbox this machine, remove the straps and staples and slide off the outer box. Then undo the clips on either side of the inner box and slide off that box as well. The machine is ready to be plugged in. The machine includes a spare blade, drain hose, gear oil, crank handle, and shaft cover. Now let's walk through the machine. This is the on-off switch. There's a manual knob to adjust the crankshaft. You can adjust the drive tension, which gives you more or less downward pressure on the block of ice. This knob is used to adjust the blade. The blade for the Hatsuyuki is different than the blade for the Swan machines, so make sure you order the right blade for this machine. The shaver has a plastic shield for safety. When the shield is open, the machine automatically shuts off to protect you and your staff. We recommend you dry your machine daily to keep it in good working condition. The Hatsuyuki 600A is a great user-friendly machine that is durable, consistent, and a great addition to your shave ice business. For more information to help you select the best shaver for your needs, watch more videos on iceshavers.com or on our iceshavers.com YouTube channel.